this is the revision or repeat. This is the revision or repeat of the chapter number 6 from Flamingo. So this is the summary form now. On the face of it. This is on the face of it, written by Susan Hill. The story on the face of it has been written in a play form by Susan Hill, an American playwright. The play on the face of it is about the friendship between Mr. Lamb, an old man and military personnel, and the owner of the garden, and Derry, a young boy of 14 years old who is withdrawn and defiant. Boy's one side of face had burnt scars, means marks, due to have been fallen acid. Derry carries a conviction, means dosiddhi, that people do not feel comfortable while looking at his face. Thinking that there is none in the garden, Derry enters it and gets startled at meeting an old man, Mr. Lamb, inside it. Mr. Lamb tries to comfort the boy and says that he must accept like as it comes about. Mr. Lamb's line of conviction is that one should enjoy one's life. He sometimes, means Updesh Dina, sermonizes or what we call gives preachings that Derry by way of conjuring, means हाथ की सफाई, examples of beauty and the beast, of bees and of a person who was afraid of everything in the world, and how person hid himself, and in what way death came the man. So Lamb's intention of giving these examples to Derry is to change the self-defeating perceptions, means anubhuti, of the boy, and to encourage him to be a part of growth and development. तो मिस्टर लैम्ब का इरादा उसका डेरी के परसेप्शन को जो हेट्रेडनेस है उसको चेंज करना है, एंड लैम्ब्स इंटेंशन इज टू फिल लव in the mind of Derry against the people. Mr. Lamb has a positive attitude towards life. He has a tin leg, but this handicap does not slow down activities of daily routine. On the other hand, Derry has a burnt face, because of which he has developed opposition, means growth, perception in the life. That is to be continued on the next. Mr. Lamb tells him that Derry has the facility of all his limbs intact and he can excel in his life if he chooses to and pursues his, means आगे बढ़ना, the dream, अपने dream को आगे बढ़ा सकता है. His burnt face has nothing to do in the way of his destination, means ठिकाना. As handsome is as handsome does. Handsome वो होता है जो handsome कार्य करता है. Mr. Lim highlights the importance of listening, watching, thinking, and reading. At the end of the play, Derry gets convinced about the wisdom in Lamb's words. He gets back, means Derry gets back to the garden against his mother's instruction or advice. On reaching the garden, he sees Mr. Lamb bidding farewell to the world, means on reaching the garden, Mr. Lamb meets the deaths because falling off the ladder. That is, this is all about.